Hi all, I'm Kailash Girase, creative motivational speaker and personal productivity expert. Welcome to Speak to Win 2.0 public speaking workshop. Today we are going to discuss about some myths of public speaking. And the first one is I have a fear of public speaking but others don't have. I'm going to tell you that you are not alone. Everybody has a fear of public speaking. Even experienced speakers have butterflies in their stomach. Even they are sweating before going on stage or in front of camera. So don't worry. Second thing, all the stories and content should be my own. No, not necessary. You can use same common moral stories because you may be the first person for someone to tell this first time. So don't try to be uh, don't try to use only your own stories and content. The most important thing is how you deliver your message and how you can improve your message by the stories. One more thing, third myth is about I should be fluent speaker. Not necessary because you can make some mistakes. Not necessary that you are fluent in English or Hindi or Marathi, whatever you are going to tell. Because by experience, day by day, you can get that knowledge and you can handle the stage and camera later with more better way rather than at the start being fluent speaker. You can also make some mistakes while speaking because sometimes you may forget your speech, you may distract from the topic, but no worries. Not necessarily you should be very fluent, but you should be very attentive while speaking. And third thing about I should be perfect speaker. There is no def there is nothing like perfect. There is no entity, nobody is perfect. That is you well known thought, you know. So nobody is perfect in their job. So do not wait till that you are be perfect. Start practicing your speeches and day by day you will be better. And I want to tell you, practice don't make you perfect, but it makes you better every day. So be consistent on your public speaking skills. One more thing, I am not a big person or expert on this topic. Don't worry. Every topic what you are going to tell, you no need to be perfect. Because the problem is that if somebody is perfect in particular topic, they might not have time to deliver the speech, or they are not good speakers like you, and they are not going to deliver the speeches. And definitely, for example, if you are not a brain surgeon, then don't take the topic of the brain surgery, but you can take the topic of how to take care of brain surgery patient, how to handle the depression. So that topics always give new perspective, no matter whether you are expert in that field or not. And one more thing is about I am not doing my job well. That is another myth. Every time when you come out of camera or from out down from the stage, then you feel that regret that I didn't do my job better. So don't feel that, because whenever we think about our speeches, our topics, there are 10,000 thoughts are going in your mind, and you can deliver only 10 or 100 thoughts about that. So it is always better whatever you deliver, it is the best come out of you rather than just keeping that storm of thoughts going on your mind. So I hope uh, you were with me. Some of the myths you had, or some of the more myths you have, but practice makes you better every day. That one thought you should remember and keep practicing your public speaking. Thank you.